Hello and thank you for joining me as I take you through one of my very favourite weekend breakfasts. We're going to be making 63-degree eggs in the Cook Expert in just over an hour, and they are delicious. So we're going to start by adding approximately 800 ml of water to a stainless steel bowl, and today I'm going to be cooking 4 eggs. So to get started, we're going to heat our water. Pop it onto the simmering mode in the cooking program for 5 minutes at 63 degrees. Now that the water is heated, I'm going to add my 4 eggs and we're going to run the program for an hour on simmering at 63 degrees. Well, our hour is up and let me tell you, these eggs are definitely worth waiting for. The most perfect weekend breakfast eggs.